Did you know that nearly 40% of Americans don't have $400 saved for an emergency? This statistic paints a grim picture. Life is unpredictable. One unexpected event, such as a medical bill, a car breakdown, or a job loss, can leave you feeling financially vulnerable. But here's the good news. Saving your first $1,000 could change the trajectory of your financial future. It might sound simple, but that first $1,000 can be the most powerful tool in your financial toolkit. It's not just about the money. It's about building confidence, gaining control over your finances, and setting the stage for bigger savings and long-term wealth. Stick around as we explore why saving that first $1,000 is a game changer, and I'll show you how to achieve it step by step. Let's face it, most people are living paycheck to paycheck. We're constantly paying bills, buying groceries, and trying to maintain a social life without going broke. For many, there's little room left for savings at the end of the month. In fact, many people don't have enough saved to cover even a small emergency, let alone a larger one. Financial uncertainty is stressful, and without savings, even the smallest setbacks, like an unexpected medical bill or car repair, can feel like a crisis. The pressure of not knowing how you'll cover these costs can be overwhelming. It keeps you awake at night, and you may feel stuck in a cycle you can't escape. But here's the exciting part. Once you save that first $1,000, everything starts to change. It may seem like a small amount, but that first $1,000 is more than just a number in your bank account. It's the key to unlocking financial confidence. It provides a safety net. That first $1,000 serves as the foundation for your financial future. Once you have that cushion, you can start thinking bigger: $5,000, $10,000, or even $50,000. You can use it to pay down debt, make smarter decisions, or begin investing. This initial milestone is a game changer. It's the first step toward transforming your financial life and gaining the freedom to make better choices. So, how do you save that first $1,000? It may feel overwhelming at first, but with the right steps, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can reach your goal. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Create a budget. To save money, you need to know exactly where it's going. The first step is to create a budget. I know, budgeting can feel boring, but trust me, it's essential for getting your financial life in order. You can't manage what you don't track. Start by examining your income and your expenses. Write down all your monthly expenses, everything from rent and utilities to groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Be honest with yourself. Next, subtract your total expenses from your income. Does your income cover everything, or are you living beyond your means? If you're in the latter category, it's time to make some adjustments. Categorize your spending. What are your essentials, like rent, bills, and groceries? What are your non-essential activities, such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping? The goal is to identify areas where you can cut back. Try the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials such as rent and utilities. Dedicate 30% to your wants, such as entertainment and dining out. Save 20% of your income. This guideline isn't a strict rule, but it serves as a solid starting point. You can adjust it according to your personal situation, but aim to save at least 20% of your income. If saving 20% right away feels overwhelming, begin with a smaller percentage and increase it over time. Step 2. Cut back on unnecessary spending. After creating your budget, it's time to identify areas where you can reduce expenses. You don't have to live frugally, but many small expenses can accumulate quickly. Here are some practical ways to save money. Cut the daily coffee habit. While we all enjoy our coffee, daily $4 lattes can quickly add up. Consider brewing your own coffee at home. This small change could save you $100 or more each month by switching to homemade coffee. Dine out less. Dining out can be enjoyable, but it can also be expensive. Eating out at restaurants a few times a week can easily cost $100 or more. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can save a significant amount. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start with simple recipes and consider preparing meals in bulk for the week. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review all your subscriptions, like Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, and any other services you are paying for. Are you actually using all of them? If not, consider canceling a few. Cutting just one or two subscriptions can free up an extra $30 to $50 each month. Shop smarter when you shop. Check for sales, use coupons, and consider purchasing generic or store brand items. These minor adjustments can have a significant impact on your savings over time. By reducing your spending, you will have more money available for savings, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to your first $1,000. Step 3. Increase your income. While cutting back on expenses is crucial, finding ways to increase your income can help you reach your savings goals even faster. Here are some suggestions for boosting your earnings. Take on a side hustle. In today's gig economy, there are countless ways to make extra money. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, driving for Uber, or delivering for DoorDash, these side gigs can help you earn additional income that goes directly into your savings. Sell things you don't need. Look around your home. Do you have clothes, electronics, or furniture you no longer use? Sell them. Websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to turn your unwanted items into cash. Ask for a raise. If you have been in your job for a while and believe your performance warrants it, don't hesitate to ask for a raise. It might not feel very comforting, but having a well-timed conversation with your boss could lead to a significant income increase. Start a small business. If you have a talent or passion, why not turn it into a source of income? Whether it's graphic design, writing, photography, or something else, there are endless opportunities to turn your skills into income. Increasing your income is one of the fastest ways to build your savings. With more cash coming in, you can reach your $1,000 goal sooner than you think. Step 4. Automate your savings. One of the most effective ways to save money is to set up automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. Even if it's just $25 or $50 a week, the key is consistency. You won't even notice it's gone, and over time, you'll see your savings grow without having to think about it. This strategy works because you won't have to rely on willpower to save. The money is already out of your hands, and before you know it, you'll be closer to your $1,000 goal. Mindset shift. Reaching your first $1,000 is more than just a financial milestone. It's a significant shift in mindset. When you start saving money, you stop feeling like you're constantly struggling. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, worried about how to cover unexpected expenses. Instead, you become empowered and in control. Once you hit $1,000, you will begin to think about money differently. You will feel confident enough to tackle larger goals, such as paying off debt or saving for retirement. You will realize that building wealth is a long-term process, where small, consistent actions lead to big results. And this is just the beginning. After saving $1,000, you'll be ready to pursue your next financial goal. Whether it's $5,000, $10,000, or even more, you now have the tools and confidence to make it happen. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. Start today by creating your budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to increase your income. Every small step you take gets you closer to that first $1,000. Once you achieve this milestone, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. If you found this information helpful, hit that subscribe button for more smart money tips. Leave a comment below sharing your savings goals. What's the first financial milestone you're aiming for? Let's support each other on this journey. Remember, saving is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go.